Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second class of solving questions from the book MTG Need Guide. This is a very good book. I have already spoken about it. And if you do this book or the complete book, you will definitely see a very good impact on your result. This is for NEET aspirants. And we have done till question number 11. We'll be starting from question number 12. You can refer to the previous videos. And we have done the whole chapter of kinematics. And what you have to do, if you face any problems, comment on the video, we will discuss. So like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends so that maximum people can be benefited. So these are the fixed lines of any person who is uploading videos on YouTube. Yeah, so let us start from question number 12. So see, body is moving on according to the relation this. Acceleration of body is this, we have to find. See, I will tell you the formula. So we have to do the derivative here. Derivative of x to the power n with respect to x, formula is n x to the power n minus 1. If you do the derivative with respect to time x to the power n, answer becomes n x to the power n minus 1 into dx by dt. Okay, this is the formula. So x to the power n derivative n x to the power n minus 1, and with respect to time n x to the power n minus 1 into dx by dt. Okay. So we will apply here, and x is given at plus bt square minus ct cube. This is given. So we'll do the derivative. We know velocity is dx by dt. Derivative becomes how much? A, derivative of t is 1, plus 2bt, derivative of t square is 2t, minus 3ct square, that's it. And acceleration is dv by dt. How much is the derivative? 0 plus 2b minus 6ct. Okay, this is the answer. This must be the answer. Acceleration C, 12C. Let us check. 12th answer is C. Yes. So 13th we see. So x is given, we have to find acceleration. Dx by dt is velocity. So you must have this book so that you can very easily relate to it. I am solving the questions, and so you can easily see them in the book. Don't see the solution, I am discussing. So dx by dt is velocity. A's derivative is 0. It is a1. T's derivative is 1. This is oral question. This becomes 2a2t. Then again we do the derivative for acceleration. A1's derivative becomes 0 and 2a2t's derivative becomes 2a2. So D must be the answer. Question number 13. D is the answer, yes. So you can check. Question number 14. Again, similar type of question, you have to do derivatives. Acceleration we have to find out. We are given t is equal to ax square plus bx. Now derivative we have to do with respect to time. 1 is equal to 2ax into dx by dt, that is velocity, plus b into dx by dt, that is velocity. Velocity becomes 1 by 2ax plus b. Okay, so we have taken common. Then acceleration is dv by dt. Okay, this we will consider it as y in our mind. 1 by y's derivative is minus 1 by y square. 2ax plus b ka whole square into derivative of the internal part. We are applying chain rule. Everything's derivative is done. So 2ax derivative is 2av. Derivative of x is velocity plus b becomes 0. And what is this? This is v square only. It becomes minus v square into 2av. Answer becomes minus 2av cube. Let us check. So A must be the answer for 14th. Answer is A, yeah, right. Next question, question number 15. So displacement time graph is given. For graphs we have already taken a class, you can refer to it. The slope in xg graph is velocity. You are given angles. So initial angle was 45, after 2 seconds it becomes 60 degree. Tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3. Change in velocity upon change in time is acceleration, that means root 3 minus 1 by 2. C must be the answer. Let us check for question number 15. Question number 15. Yeah, C. Okay. Simple verbal question. Now next question, acceleration is given. At t is equal to 0, x naught and v naught is the position and velocity. Now expression for position is, in this we have to integrate. Let us also study the formula of integration. Integration of x to the power n dx is how much? X to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, plus there is a constant c, but that is not required here. Let us just remember this. So this is integration. Integration is opposite to what differentiation is. We have already studied this also in our class of graphs. You can refer to it. And let us see, acceleration was alpha t plus beta t square. Okay, now this is dv by dt. Acceleration is, so alpha t plus beta t square. dv becomes alpha t plus beta t square into dt. Okay, and we will integrate. At t is equal to 0, velocity is 0. At t is equal to t, velocity is v. So dv's integration is v. Limits is, sorry, t is equal to 0, velocity is v naught. Yeah, it is v naught. So it becomes v minus v naught, and alpha t's integration becomes alpha t square by 2 plus similarly beta t cube by 3. T squared integration is, so v is v naught plus alpha t square. If you are facing problems, write in the comments, we'll discuss that, but this is very simple. Refer to some books, you will understand better, but no need to refer to books also. This is very simple. So v is what? dx by dt. v naught alpha t square plus में beta t cube by 3. dx becomes v naught plus alpha t square by 2 plus beta t cube by 3 into dt, and we integrate it. At t is equal to 0, position is x naught. T is equal to t, position is x. It becomes x minus x naught is equal to v naught t plus alpha t cube by 3. 3 into 2 is 6 plus beta t की power 4 by 4. That means t की power 4, 4 3 12. Okay, this must be the answer. Final minus initial limits we have put. 0 limit will cancel everything, so that is not required. So this must be the answer, which is option A itself. Yes. Let us check. Question number 16. Answer is a yes. Let us move to question number 17. So you are given x. Acceleration is 0 at what time? So again we will do the derivative. You know, these are very simple questions, and these type of questions are already are the ones which are asked in need. So you have to get yourself to that level. You have to build a good speed at solving questions. Now dx by dt, and it happens slowly. Have patience. So dx by dt is velocity, how much? 2at minus 3bt square. So we have simply applied the formula. What is acceleration? Acceleration is dv by dt. So 2a minus 6bt. Yeah. Acceleration is 0 at what time? Let us take it as 0. Time becomes a by 3b. So C must be the answer. 17th. It is CS. Okay. Question number 18. So particle is moving with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means speed is constant and direction is also constant. So speed is 0. This is not the correct statement. Acceleration is 0, right? बिल्कुल ठीक है. Acceleration is opposite. No, speed may be variable. Absolutely incorrect. B must be the answer. Question number 18 B, yes. Question number 19. X is given, acceleration varies as. Okay. You know, when you study, you can listen to music. There is no problem at all. So you can sing also. So I do it a lot of times. So I sing. And in fact, if you see goddess Saraswati, so she's a goddess for education and she has veena in her hands. That means music and education, they go together. Music and gyan. It is said in Hindi, gyan and gan goes together. So you can do this and just see your comfort level. You should be comfortable. So you can do this. There is no problem at all. So sometime we'll have some good singing session also. In fact, I have a different YouTube channel for this. You can listen to some music there. So let us take x is equal to, it is under root at square plus 2bt plus c. Acceleration, so first of all find out velocity is dx by dt, 1 by 2 under root at square plus 2bt plus c, and to derivative of the inner part, it is 2at plus 2b. Okay, simple. Let us do the derivative again to find acceleration. Now acceleration is dv by dt. Acha, this we can write it as at plus b upon x. So if we do the derivative again, quotient rule, x square x into derivative a minus at plus b into derivative of x is velocity v. V only you can write. So x into a minus at plus b into velocity is how much? At plus b by x upon x square. Then it becomes x square a minus at plus b's whole square by x square. Okay. So in the next step we can put, so we cannot say directly here right now because this expression is there. Let us put the value of x. Let us put the value of x here. X square into a, how much it is? A square t square plus 2atb plus ca minus a square t square plus b square plus 2atb by x square. A square t square gets cancelled, 2atb gets cancelled, numerator is a constant, denominator is, it was x cube, sorry, x cube here, it was x cube. Okay, after taking LCM, yes, so I think this must be the answer, 1 by x cube. So 1 by x cube, C, 19th answer is C. Okay, yeah. So let us take question number 20. Acceleration of particle is. Again same type of question. So x is under root 1 plus t square. X is this much. Now dx by dt is velocity. How much? 1 by 2 into under root 1 plus t square into derivative of 1 plus t square, that is 2t. 2 gets cancelled, it becomes t by x. Yeah. So acceleration again dv by dt. We can apply the product rule here. 1 by x remains, derivative of t is 1 plus t, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square into velocity. So acceleration is 1 by x minus t by x square into velocity. Velocity is t by x. We take the LCM, x cube, x square minus t square. What is x square? X square, we put the value, it becomes 1 plus t square minus t square, that means 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube, let us check. A is the option. 20th A. 21. Point initially at rest, moves along the x-axis, acceleration varies with time, average starts from origin, distance covered in 2 seconds. So acceleration is given. Acceleration is dv by dt. It is 6t plus 5. dv is 6t plus 5 into dt. Let us integrate. At t is equal to 0, velocity is 0. Particles start initially at rest. At any time t velocity is v, it becomes v. And then it becomes 6t square by 2 plus 5t. Yeah. Then if it starts from origin, distance covered in 2 seconds. Now velocity is dx by dt. If we integrate dx, integration t is equal to 0, position is 0 at any instant time 2 seconds, the position is x, so it is 3t square plus 5t into dt, which came from below. I hope it is very much clear. So it becomes x is equal to how much? 3t cube by 3 plus 5t square by 2 from 0 to 2. 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so therefore the 8 plus how much? 4 to 10 minus 0 is 0, 18. So x comes out to be 18, b 21. 21, the answer is BS, because at t is equal to 0, x was 0. 22, acceleration is given by this. Particle starts out with velocity at the end of 2 seconds. Same type of questions. I am not solving this. You can solve. Acceleration is dv by dt. At t is equal to 0, u is equal to 2, and at t is equal to 2, you have to find the velocity. Write acceleration as dv by dt, integrate. If you find problems, just write to me. And last question for today, question number 23. Particle moving along straight line has velocity v when it cleared the distance y meter the 2. These two are connected by the relation, okay. When its velocity is 1, acceleration is, okay. So velocity is given. Velocity is given, or when its velocity is 1, acceleration is how much we have to find. See, velocity is under root 49 plus y. Now acceleration is dv by dt. It is how much? 1 by 2 under root 49 plus y into derivative of the inner part, that is dy by dt. You can write it as velocity. Okay. So velocity, and what is velocity? This much only. Under root 49 plus y. Under root 49 plus y, it gets cancelled. Oh my god, it is answer 1 by 2. That's it. So that is not required. Extra information was given. Let us again check it. Particle, there are two, its velocity is 1, acceleration, so acceleration, I think constant only. Let us check. Sometimes extra information is also given. So question number 23, D, question number 23. Oh yeah, the answer is D. बिल्कुल ठीक है. So that's it for today, and let us meet in the next class. And as I said, enjoy your studies. So this is the mantra for today. Enjoy your studies. Sing, sing and study. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much for joining.